I am Meghna Shastri from the New Indian Express. This is the third weekend in a row where traffic has been banned on Church Street, and this weekend has been very different. A walk down Church Street will show you how different artists have come together to display their artwork in form of photograph, postcards, music and more. This place has only one motto: exchange of art to and from people who value it. Here heaps of artworks are on display for sale on a take what you love and pay what you like basis. Broke Artists Collective has managed to gather artists from across India to join this initiative. Their idea is very simple: to build a community that gives artists a space to actually grow while appreciating their creation.
My name is Yatish and I'm part of the Broke Artists Collective. And we started Broke Artists Collective because we wanted a platform where we can be ourselves in a space, safe space basically. And the idea was to sort of bring artists together who believe that we can do something more together than we can do alone. And the idea was to always sell it at pay what you like, take what you love, because money, as you know, is more like, I wanted to take the idea of money being the starting point of a conversation. So right now, anybody who's buying art, nobody is asking us what is the price of the artwork. So anybody who's asking us who's the artist or what is this art, the story, the narrative changes the moment we say pay what you like, take what you love. And also the idea that the work that I put out there and what people pay shouldn't define the value of the art, or I shouldn't define it using my own judgment of what it should cost. I rather let people choose what they wish to pay, because someone with money might pay you a little more, whereas someone who doesn't have money, even though they pay less, the intention to pay is more appreciable than paying itself, what they pay. So yeah, it's around, like when you look at how much time one spends making the kind of money that they pay for the same artwork, you'll understand they would spend around same time to make that money. And that's what that's what I want to believe.
Over 1,000 people stopping by to interact with artists and support the cause made this initiative a success. Surprisingly, citizens also put up their best game by abiding social distancing norms.
We are doing this because it's been like almost a year since artists did anything like open mics or events or festivals. Everything is online, and we just wanted to connect with the people all over again.
Considering the pandemic is still on, how have people received it? How has it been since yesterday?
Oh, so there has been a lot of people coming in, and they have been very cooperative. If you tell them to like maintain socially, like be socially distant or anything, they listen. We have good reception. Of course, it's less than the times when Church Street used to be full, MG Road used to be full, but I think I'm very grateful for the crowd we had. My experience has been phenomenal. I totally got rid of my stage fear, been singing all day long, been writing, talking to strangers, becoming friends, going eating something. It's been really good so far.
The event is open to any artist who wants to showcase their work or just be a part of a creative community. No questions asked, no requirements, just a free space for communication.
Hey, my name is Baira and I'm a local musician from around Bangalore, and I play this African drum instrument called the djembe, and this other instrument called the didgeridoo, which is from the Aboriginal tribe. It's a very ancient instrument and it's one of the first instruments known to man. And this Broke Artists Collective is just awesome, and what they're doing is just amazing. I feel really from the bottom of my heart. I came with both my instruments here and I made all the noise possible, and they were all just very accepting and very welcoming and it was very creative, very art vibe, and I really love this whole art festival that's happening. I feel it's literally a joy of celebrating your own existence.
Okay, so you're not a part of Broke Artists Collective yet, but they just welcome you to come and join.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Right.
I was just like a stranger passing by, and they were like, please, you can feel free to please come here and buzz. I even had some of my friends come here and just pitch up their prints, and even they're not part of like this Broke Artists Collective. And it's very, very. I love the freedom of expression that this whole festival brings to this place. Yeah.
But how does one price a piece of art that does not have a tag at all?
I looked at the stuff I bought. I looked at I picked up some magnets. I picked up some frames. I made sure I didn't pay less because these prints cost a lot to take, and then I paid according to what felt right. Like how much would I pay for, let's say, lunch where I would feel good? I just paid the same amount.